dress. People are like, oh, you should wear that to go out. And I'm like, go out where? Go out? Stay home. So let's see. Since I have crazy hair today. It's childproof. Smells good. And I did the underside of my hair on purpose. Kind of smells like, I don't know, everything reminds me of grapefruit. But the easiest way for me to like run this through my hair, I always do this. Got a lot of hair. Now my hair's just frizzy because I brushed it. All angry at me. But I'm sure if I put it in wet, it would probably act a little different. Smells good. So, oh, I just realized the lid. There's this really pretty design on it. Never really looked at the lids before. So that's something I can use. And then, I'm not sure if this is Marcelle or Marcelle. And this is a Hydra-C 24-hour Energizing Hydrating Gel. It says, with green tea, cucumber extracts, and vitamin C and E, this gel moisturizer this gel moisturizer nourishes skin while guarding against pollutants.